In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change texture color in Photoshop. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to showcase what I believe is the most convenient and easily accessible way to change the color of a texture in any version of Photoshop. To do this, the method that I'm going to recommend is going to be by adjusting the hue/saturation. So this method allows you to adjust the hue, which is the color, and the saturation, aka the intensity, alongside the lightness of the texture. So you can make broad color changes while preserving the texture details. And it is easy to access. All that you have to do is go over to the menu at the top, and under New Adjustment Layer, you will be able to find hue/saturation. So you can either go here, or by using the Adjustments menu at the right side of the screen, you use this button here. So choose whichever option you prefer. Either of these will bring you into the hue/saturation. So go to Image Adjustments and then find the option. Now you will see this menu here. You have some presets that you can choose, and you can choose to modify the master layer. Then you will be able to individually change the hue, saturation, and lightness. You will see the changes in real time depending on the area that you selected. To target a specific color range, you can use the hand tool in the hue/saturation window to select a portion of the image. And as soon as you choose that specific portion, this will limit the changes to that color range. So it is easy to utilize. You will see the changes in real time, and you can either use these sliders to the left or right, or you can modify the value here. As I've said previously, the hue refers to the color, the saturation refers to the intensity, and of course you have the lightness, which is either going to make it brighter or darker accordingly. Once you are satisfied, the changes will remain and you will be able to proceed onto other options. I hope I was able to help you on how to change color of texture in Photoshop. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.